I would like to bring to the notice of the PWD department and the Panchayat regarding these barrels that they have installed here. Goa is a state of tourism, and to see such disgusting type of barrels, unpainted, rusted barrels are put here, which can cause accident during the nights because sometimes there is no power and you cannot see these barrels and the color of the barrels, and also we have stray cattle which are moving around here who sit here also, and their color and the barrel color looks the same. I am sure there can be serious accidents, and I want the authority, the Sarpanch also, to act on this issue, and the PWD to put a better road barriers which are there, the colorful ones with the fluorescent tape on it. We are not a state like a beggar state here with this kind of rusted barrels which are put here. So I request them to take urgent action in this regard before there is any accident.